Oop. Let's see. I tried to make the lighting work. I don't think that's gonna work. Well, welcome back to my channel, and I hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's loving the new, more frequent updates or more frequently posted videos. And today we will be making green slime. Why? Because I was supposed to be doing a slime review video, but I ate some food and fell asleep talking to my sister. Yeah. So I just randomly woke up, decided, hey, I need to do a video to release tomorrow. So this will be an easy, quick video. So first off, we're going to start by making our borax activator, because I need more of that. Yeah. So this is the container that I put my borax activator in. A little squeeze bottle. And so I'm going to start by getting my cup of water. I have a little container down here for, I wouldn't call that little, but I have a container down here filled with water. There we go. So I've just added more water, and then I'll add my borax powder. I decided to do this as part of the video instead of making it before the video, because I was like, if I just do the making the slime part, it's going to make for a very short video. Now this is a teaspoon, a level teaspoon of borax powder. That shouldn't touch my face. Okay. So now that that's done, first of all, I need to close back up this box because I'm not going to have borax powder all over my floor. Then, I know for one instruction, you're supposed to pour the contents into a bowl and then mix it. But what I do, I just put it in the bottle and then shake it. And you're supposed to do that until it's well combined. Now, because I bought this retarded bottle, I need to go get a new one. When I shake it, it gets everywhere. See, that's the problem when you buy cheap stuff. Always go for quality. It's good to go ahead and have a great deal on something, but don't always compromise the quality. Okay, that should be good. Now, technically speaking, you're supposed to use warm or hot water. I'm using room temperature water because I don't have time to be going downstairs to go warm up some water, so. Anyway, let me go ahead and wipe off my tools. At least wipe off the spoon that I used to get the powder because it got a little wet. It's fine. But that meant that some borax powder was sticking to it, so can't have that. Let's see. So we got our bowl because we're not making a lot. Got a bottle of glue. Not a whole bottle, but just a bottle. I will never understand how they expect people to get the glue out of these squeeze bottles, because even though they're squeezy bottles, you don't get all the glue out, and it kind of makes me want to cut it open and just scrape the rest of the glue out. But now we have our glue. I might add, no, I probably shouldn't. Okay. So right here I have some neon green gel food coloring. I kind of prefer the gel food coloring because it makes for some brighter, more vivid colors than just regular food coloring. Ooh, this is going to be pretty. And I didn't add too much. Score for me. I know sometimes I can add too much dye and it'll make it too dark, and I don't want it too dark. This is what we're working with so far. I haven't added anything but food coloring to the glue. So now that I have the food, oh, ew, gross. I got the glue on me. Oh, I guess I'm just gonna get glued today. Now that I've added the glue, now that I've fully mixed in the green, I'm going to add a couple drops of baby oil. Usually I wait until after I've already activated it, but ain't nothing wrong with adding it a little early. Just mix that in there. And actually, it looks like the baby oil activated the glue a little bit, which is pretty interesting. But what I think is actually happening is that the baby oil just lubricated the bowl, so the glue is actually just moving around a bit more easier in the bowl as I mix. So, I don't know. Next is to add the activator. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely get a better bottle. I don't like this. Now, I don't have no exact measurements for activator. Just squeeze like a few squeezes, a few short squeezes, and then mix. And it was instantaneous as far as seeing this start to clump up into slime. So mix. It's just slushing around right now. It has a little bit of activator still in the bowl. I'm trying to get the glue off the sides to make sure it all gets activated. But I might have to start using my hands from here because there's not much else I can do with my little mixing spoon. So, just start. Sorry, like I said, I get notifications all the time. Ain't nothing new. But just as much as I can off of the spoon with my hand. Spoon here, and now it's time to mix with my hand. This is the only part that grosses me out about slime. It's the whole mixing with your hand part. that might need a little bit more activator. Oh, gross. So. I'm making pretty basic activator. Mostly because I want the color to pop on this one, so I would have used detergent, which would have meant I didn't have to make any more activator, but I was like, you know what? Content. Really into content. Why is this still sticking to my hand? I don't like that. I'm trying to use the slime to get the rest of it off of my hand. It's not trying to come off. It's trying to stick to me forever. Ugh. Okay, we're just gonna start picking it off from here. And this is how I get the partially activated slime off of my hands. Go ahead and pick a good chunk off with my fingers first, and then just start using that chunk that I picked off to go ahead and stick to the other slime that is stuck on my hand. This part is really gross. I can see the appeal of making slime because I am ADHD, so I get distracted by things a lot. I also cannot sit still, and this, like, while playing with it, it like helps me to stay still a little bit. Because I'm like so focused on the texture of the slime that I forget about moving. I don't know what it is exactly, but okay, let's see. I think I should be able. Yep, there we go. Ugh. Still sticky. That's the one thing I haven't figured out yet. No! It got too sticky. I have yet to figure out the proper ratio of glue to activator, as well as what the actual strength of my activator is. Because you automatically see results. And honestly, I think it might just be how I mix my activator. Because I know when I was using detergent, I didn't really have this problem. And then I watched other YouTubers that have made slime videos. I've watched them do it. And I'm like, oh, well, they don't seem to have this much problem when making their own. And I'm just like, is this just a me thing? Because I don't want to risk over activating it. Because I feel like I put in more than... Yeah, see, like now it's not as sticky. Kind of making me mad a little bit because I just got my hands all messy. But yeah, now we got some neon green slime. I guess that's it. I don't think I'm going to add anything to it. I'll probably add some more baby oil. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Make a little whale. I like adding baby oil to my slimes because they make them so soft. And it looks real good. And I just like the resulting texture afterwards. Yeah, I overactivated this. That's my main problem when it comes to making slimes without, like when I did this. Oh wait, no, never mind. It's good. Ooh. once all this baby oil is well incorporated into it, it's going to smell so good. So good. I think I did overactivate it maybe a little, but it still has some nice stretch to it. The camera. You can see my overly baby oil hands, but it still has some pretty nice stretch to it. Yeah, still got them bubble pops. Sounds almost like I'm popping bubble wrap. But it's still like a little rippy. And it does have a slightly rubbery feel to it. Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna make another quick batch of slime. I just don't have any more white glue. So let me get my handy dandy sandwich bag. Well, and this is how I store my slime. If I don't leave them in the bowl, I'll go ahead and put them in the sandwich bag. So I'm gonna make another quick thing of slime and I'll be right back. Okay, it is official. I am just not meant to make slime at all, because see, that just made me mad. I don't know what the heck to call it, because it's definitely not slime. It rips too easily. It's overactivated. And I don't know how to make deactivator just yet, so. And nobody judge me, because this was just a spur of the moment type thing. So, me and my slime pickle, I don't know what else to call it. I'm just gonna sit here, reflect on life, and then go to bed. I'm done. Even though I just woke up from, I've been asleep for a while. Anyway, I'm gonna just leave it at that for now, and I hope everyone has a good rest of your day, good night, whatever time it is when you are watching this video. And please remember to keep being you. I don't know, it doesn't matter what type of person you are. If it's what makes you happy, go for it. Whether you're a criminal or not. Just know if you're a criminal, you're probably going to be arrested. I do not condone criminal acts. But you know what? Who am I to tell you how to be? Good night.